Come, let's draft a trending shoulder dart princess bustier with a plunging scoop neckline and kimono sleeve. So draft out your basic pattern. So you write the chest line, the underbust and the waist length. Okay, so after you do that, so you mark 3 inches as the neck width. So in between the shoulder you mark the midpoint, then you connect it to your apex point like so, your bust palm. So I've already connected it, so I'll just go out of the shoulder by 1.5 inches and I'll go up at the chest line by 1 inches and connect the shoulder. So because I went out by 1.5 inches, I'm going to go outside my armhole line by 1.5 inches and redraw my armhole line. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you are a first time subscriber, and turn on the notification bell. So tighten my underbust, I will go in by 2 inches from my dart line, then I'll go at 7.5 inch and connect, and at the waist I'll go by 1.5 inches. Then I'll connect the underbust down to the waist dart like so. So then I will connect the underbust dart to the bust height like so. So draft my plunging scoop neckline. So I'll go down at the neckline by 9 inches, then I'll connect it to my shoulder like so. So I've already drafted my deep scoop neckline. So for neckline gaping, I'll mark 4 inches and I'll connect it in a slant line to gape my neckline so it will relax well on my body. So I will go out by quarter of an inch, then I'll connect it as if I'm connecting a dart like so. So after connecting, I will close the dart and retrace my plunging scoop neckline. I'll connect it like so. So after connecting, I will now cut out my bustier pattern. So before I cut out my bustier pattern, because I want to draft my kimono sleeve, I'll go out by 3 inches. Okay, I'll go out by 3 inches at the shoulder depth. I'll go out by 3 inches, then I'll connect it in a slant line to my armhole line. So I'll slash my bust pattern and close my bust dart, so it has transferred to my waist dart. So I will now cut out my bustier. I'll cut it out like so, and I'll cut the dart out. So this is me cutting out the side bust dart. So I'll cut out the center front dart like so. So then I'll close the neckline. I'll use my pin, or if you have a masking tape you can use to close it down. So I'll use my pins to pin it, then I'll now cut out the neckline like so. So this is the back pattern. So I'll mark 4 inches and I'll go down by 2 inches for the neckline, then I'll connect it like so. So to tighten the back, I'll go in by 1 inch and connect to the chest line, then I'll remark down 1 inch down at the waistline like so. Then I'll connect my bust line to my waistline. So draft the kimono slip. I will go out by 3 inches at the shoulder line, then I'll mark it to the mid armhole line in a slant line. So I've already drafted out my back princess bustier pattern. This is the back, so I will cut that out and I'll slash the back. Okay, so this is the final bustier pattern, the front. I hope this tutorial was helpful. So give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sew this upgraded bustier cage pattern and how to use fiber to flesh it out in the next tutorial. So tap on the link or wait till the end to see the next tutorial on this bustier caging. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.